Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll give you a complete review of Abacus AI, show you how to log in, explore its main features, and help you decide whether it's the right AI platform for you. First, open the official Abacus AI website and click Sign Up or Login. You can create an account using your Google account, Microsoft account, or email address. After verifying your account, you'll land on the dashboard where all the AI tools are organized in one place. Now let's talk about what makes Abacus AI special. Instead of focusing on just one feature, Abacus AI combines multiple AI capabilities into a single platform. You can chat with AI, generate professional images, write blog posts, summarize long documents, create code, analyze spreadsheets, and even build AI-powered applications without advanced technical skills. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly. Everything is clearly labeled, so even if you're using AI for the first time, you won't feel overwhelmed. Simply choose a tool, enter your prompt, and let the AI do the work. One feature I really like is the AI coding assistant. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, it can explain code, fix errors, and generate new code in seconds. The writing assistant is also impressive, producing emails, articles, and social media content with just a few prompts. Of course, no platform is perfect. Some advanced features require a paid plan, and complex AI tasks may consume credits faster than expected. Still, the free version is a great way to explore the platform before upgrading. So, should you use Abacus AI? If you're looking for an all-in-one AI platform that combines writing, coding, image generation, and productivity tools, then Abacus AI is definitely worth trying. It saves time, simplifies complicated tasks, and keeps everything in one dashboard. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.